So this is happening today, right? The missus stole my BMW M340i, so I pretty much left me without a car. And they had one of these just laying around, and said, why not? Why not buy a 6.4 V8 at a time where gas prices are over $5 a gallon? Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Like, it ain't about us, Willie. It's about what car is out there. Yeah. Yeah.
More paperwork.
Oh, yeah. I ain't no big deal.
All right.
Okay.
So, recording?
Yes.
So this is what happens when you experience car theft in your own house. I bought a BMW last fall.
Are you seriously turning this around on me?
I bought a BMW
What?
last fall. She goes and drives and says, this is really nice. It becomes her BMW.
Don't believe that, y'all. That's not true. Those are lies.
Here's your official document, sir. Go check it out.
This week, I need to do for me in the morning. Walk around the vehicle, take a video.
In the morning?
Huh? I'll make sure there's no scratches, dent things, or anything. So
We're doing that now.
we can do that now, but I don't know. Somebody else will walk around and home video. The biggest number for me in the morning.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Car number 502.
Really? After you
Car number 502 in the
steal somebody's car.
in the lineup of William. Yes.
I want you to explain that. How you steal somebody's car and then complain when they got to get another one.
This is a wide body Scat Pack Challenger 392.
Steal my car and then talk about it.
You notice he parked in a handicap spot, so that's already your first ticket before you go. So, you know what I'm saying?
Oops. Well, I mean, if you look around, there's. No, I'm not even gonna try to. That's wrong.
And hello.
Hey, this is Lake Norman Chrysler. My
What's
sales
right
guy.
here?
Known him for 10 years. Known him for how many years? About 4 or 5.
Longer than that.
Longer than that, but. This is the team right here. So if you want to get a car, see Willie Brown.
Downtown Willie Brown,
Yep.
aka Third.
And John.
That's a wrap. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, let me walk around the
Thank
car.
you.